Hey everyone! If you're wondering whether it's possible to use Tickfinity in +1 speed on Roblox while playing on a mobile device, Xbox, or PlayStation, here's what you need to know. If you're playing on a PC, you can open Tickfinity, turn it on, and use the available shortcuts to activate different actions like transform, chicken mode, slow motion, explode, jail, and many other features. For example, I can choose the explode option with just a few clicks. Unfortunately, if you're playing on Android, iPhone, Xbox One, Xbox Series XS, PS4, or PS5, this feature isn't supported. Right now, Tickfinity only works on the PC version of the game, and there's no option to enable it on mobile devices or consoles. That's all there is to it. At the moment, Tickfinity is a PC-exclusive feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.